Is DataDog stock a buy? I'm going to answer that question looking at four critical metrics in this video, so let's get right into it, starting with revenue growth. The whole digitization of the economy is helping DataDog grow its revenue rapidly, growing 61% in its most recent quarter. It had several quarters over 80%, so this company is growing its top line quickly. The next metric I wanted to look at is its operating profit margin for the trailing 12 months. A lot of the tech companies that I follow, especially the ones that are growing this quickly, have a difficult time showing profitability or even showing any evidence of economies in scale, which means showing little evidence that it's approaching profitability at the very least. Doesn't have to be profitable, but at least show me you're making progress. That's what DataDog is doing here. If we look at the operating profit margin, you could see it's negative 1.02% in the trailing 12 months. But if we go backwards, we can see a nice upward trend here. So at least they're making progress towards profitability. Revenue is helping profits. I like to see that. This is really good news for investors interested in DataDog stock. The next thing I want to look at is cash flow from operations in the trailing 12 months, because you're probably tired of hearing this from me, but a lot of tech companies are able to generate cash flow from operations by paying their employees in stock-based compensation. That's a non-cash expense, and so they're able to deliver positive cash flow from operations while not being profitable on the bottom line. So there's an interesting mix there between positive cash flow and positive profitability. And Datadog is no exception, showing very good increases in cash flow from operations. We look back here from January 2020, let's say 20 million in cash flow from operations, jumping over 20-fold to 419.76 million in cash flow from operations. So the increases in revenue is certainly showing evidence in economies and scale. Its cash flow from operations is expanding rapidly. Its operating profit margin is approaching positive levels. So very good in terms of demonstrating economies and scale here for Datadog. Finally, let's look at its valuation, and I pulled up the price to free cash flow, the price to sales, and the forward PE. Starting with the price to free cash flow of 76.97. That's an expensive valuation even for a company that's growing as fast as Datadog is growing. 76.97 is an expensive price to pay. Similarly, a price to sales of 18.28 is also expensive. This is the 18.28 is what the average stock in the S&P 500 is trading for on a price to earnings basis. This Datadog is trading at an 18.28 price to sales. That's expensive. And looking at it in terms of price to earnings, forward is trading at a 76.55 price to earnings forward ratio. It's the lowest it's been going back to before January of 2021. So relative to itself, the stock is not expensive. The stock is cheap, you can say, relative to itself. However, when you compare it to the rest of the market, that's an expensive price to pay for a business, for a stock, right? The average forward PE ratio in the S&P 500 I mentioned is 18. Of course, Datadog is growing much faster than the average company in the S&P 500. Still, I would not want to pay a premium this high for a unprofitable growth stock, regardless of how solid their growth is and how excellent their evidence in economies and scale is. This is too much of a premium valuation to pay, although it is getting closer, right? Its profit cash flows are improving, its valuation is coming down. You can see the price to earnings forward, price to sales, all of it is coming down. And so if this trend continues where earnings profitability continues to approach positive, cash flow continues to grow, valuation continues to come down, in the very near term, I could be changing my recommendation on this stock. But for now, I'm going to say that Datadog stock is not a buy just yet. It's getting close, but it's not there just yet. All right. Thank you for watching. That's all I've got for this video. I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.